Manual Handling Risk Assessment Case Study 7. Material Handling from Mezzanine Floor. This case study first shows a warehouse worker manually lifting a box down a stairwell. The warehouse worker carries a large box down a stairwell from a mezzanine level. The worker loses balance and the box falls out of his hands to the floor. In a case like this, a risk assessment of the task should be carried out in order to develop a better way of working which reduces or eliminates the risk of injury. This assessment should include looking at how the job is carried out, collecting information, for example the weight of the load and the distance it must be carried, identifying risk factors with the job and making changes to improve the job. Let's now look at the risk factors and problems encountered with this job. The distance the box must be carried is excessive. The floor is uneven. The body is in an unstable posture as the worker descends the stairwell. Once a risk assessment has been carried out, a new system of work can be adopted to reduce and reorganize manual handling, as demonstrated in the following sequence. The load that must be transported from the mezzanine level is now placed on a pallet. Using a pallet truck, the warehouse worker places the load to where it can be easily accessed and a safety gate is placed over the pallet. A forklift truck now moves into position to access the pallet and transfers the load to ground level. Having reorganized the storage system and introducing mechanical aids, manual handling has been greatly reduced. Manual handling. Assess to avoid, reduce or reorganize.